What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back with another video, and I know you guys read the title. You see the thumbnail. We got an unboxing straight from the GOAT app, and this is a shoe that I have waited to cop for multiple years now. This shoe has been out for a long time, but every time I decide to pull the trigger on the shoe, I was like, nah, I really do not want it. I feel like this is more of an impulse buy. As you guys do know, on the GOAT app, they had a sale going on for 3 straight days, and they had like the Off-White 5s, they had the Travis Scott 6s. They had a whole bunch of shoes on there that were way under market value price, and the shoe that I decided to get during that sale was the only one that was available. I went on there as soon as the sale started, and it's the only shoe that I was able to get that I've been eyeing for years. I just have not pulled the trigger yet, but now your boy finally pulled the trigger and we have it in the collection today, man. It's a very interesting shoe. I know a lot of people are not gonna really feel this shoe. I was like, man, let me go ahead and grab it because I've been wanting to test this shoe out, test the waters with it, see how I can style it and stuff like that for some years. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now. Ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel, and make sure you smack that like button to go for every video to surpass 200 likes. And you guys have been killing it. I really do appreciate it, man. The more you like the videos and comment down below, man, spam in the comment section below some fire emojis or some trash can emojis, whichever way you feel about these shoes that I'm about to pull out, because we're trying to hit 30,000 subscribers for my birthday, July 8th, man. The way things are going, I think we're gonna hit it, and I think we're gonna surpass it by my birthday, man. So I appreciate all the love and support, and I appreciate everybody pulling up to the live stream yesterday. As you guys do know, yesterday we did like a shock drop anticipation video and a live stream doing the Last Dance documentary. We learned a lot about Dennis Rodman. We learned some more about Phil Jackson and Michael Jordan himself. And like I told you guys in the video about the Air Jordan 5 shock drop video, there was even people older than me that did not know certain stuff about Jordan, about Pippen, and Phil Jackson and that whole organization. And a lot of people did not know Dennis Rodman wanted a 48-hour vacation to go to Las Vegas. I was like, man, that's crazy. So I know these last couple episodes are going to be very interesting to watch, and we're going to learn how the NBA was ran back in the day. So like I said, make sure you subscribe, ring the notification bell, hit the like button, and please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. Of course, it will be linked down below. And with all that being said, let's jump right into this sneaker unboxing from GOAT. Let's get it. So yeah, guys, like I said, from the GOAT app, they did a 3-day sale for everybody. They had a lot of shoes on there, the Travis Scott 6s, the Off-White 5s. I put a picture up again if I still have it. They had a whole bunch of stuff on there. They had some Yeezy 700s, some Yeezy 350s, just a lot of stuff. It was overwhelming. I didn't know what to get. Like I said, this shoe was something that I have really been looking for a long time. Not looking for, but just anticipating to cop it, because I didn't know if I was really gonna like this shoe. And now we finally have it in today. And I'm gonna make my final judgment. I might keep these, I might not, but I did want this shoe for the video that I have planned for you guys. The top 5 most essential shoes for all men to have in their wardrobe, in their closet, in their collection. Boom, boom, check it out, check it out. Of course, you know what GOAT, man, you get the brown tissue paper up top. And then here goes the shoe right here, check it out. We have an Adidas box, man. I got these joints for $65 on the GOAT app during the sale, and this is the Yeezy Power Phase size 8.5 core black, and I don't know what these other 2 words is, but you can check it out, read it right there real quick. So yeah, man, I picked up a pair of the Power Phases, something that I was wanting to get for a long time, and we finally have them in today. And here you go, the Yeezy Power Phases, man. You guys let me know if you have these in the collection. I know these joints is a little bit hard to wear, and I know a lot of people and a lot of sneaker YouTubers that was giving this shoe a lot of credit as far as the quality of the shoe. Just looking at this joint in hand looks more of a Reebok. It doesn't even look like an Adidas. And now that I have them in hand, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't know what I'm gonna wear these joints with. Let me pull the other shoe out real quick for you guys. And I remember I did an unboxing from the GOAT, and somebody said they did not get the card in their shoe box. And like I said, this one didn't come with it either, man. So sometimes GOAT is good with it. They put the card in there about each phase of the authentication process, but my shoe didn't either. So like I said, it's kind of normal that you don't get a card for the authentication process from GOAT. But checking it out, like I said, I got these joints for $65. That's not a bad price, and it's something that I've been wanting to get for a long time now. And now looking at them, I see why I did not want to add these joints to the collection, man. This is a super impulse buy. Maybe my quote-unquote worst sneaker pickup of the year. Like I said, but $65 is not bad. And if I don't want them, I can definitely sell them back on GOAT and hopefully get my money back. I got these joints for like, I think it was a 30% off sale they had. Hopefully I can get around $90 or $100, which is more than what I bought them for. Right now in the comment section below, let me know if you picked these joints up. I know these were released maybe 3 years ago, and I do believe these joints dropped at the initial phase of like when Yeezy was starting to take off. I don't ever remember these Power Phases sitting on Yeezy Supply or Adidas, but I think that's just because of the hype of Yeezy around the time that these joints dropped. But you guys let me know your honest opinions down below. Let me know if they fire, let me know if they trash. I know some people really dig these Power Phases, but for me, I'm gonna have to check them out on feet, see how they look. This was a super impulse buy. Like I said, this is probably gonna go down as one of my worst sneaker pickups of 2020, man. I hate when I do those impulse buys. It happens to me a lot. And it used to happen to me a lot back in the day, like 2-3 years ago. I was just picking up everything. Like I told you guys, I've been eyeing these for a couple years. I want to see how I can rock them, see how I can swag them out. So let's see what your boy DeVintage can put together with these Calabasas power phases. So yeah, let's throw these joints on feet and see how I'm really feeling them with some jeans, some joggers, something like that. And then we're gonna come back in front of the camera and I'm gonna give you guys my final verdict on these sneakers. Alright guys, so the verdict is in. I threw these joints on feet. I showed you guys the on feet portion, and I'm still on the fence about picking these joints up, man. So like I said, this is probably gonna be my worst sneaker pickup of 2020. If I had to give this a name, you know, you pick up so many shoes in a year, you gotta give one of the shoes the worst pickup, you know what I'm saying? So this is probably not the worst one, but most likely the most impulse buy of 2020. I do have to say the quality, the leather is pretty soft. It feel like it's gonna actually tear if I was like give these shoes some real miles. And I want to let you guys know, please go true to size. I went down to half a size thinking these joints are gonna be running big. Wish I would have went to a size 9 because 8.5, it's not snug, but I would like that little extra room with my true to size 9. So I would advise you guys to go true to size in your Calabasas Power Phase Yeezys. I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. Like I said, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, man, please subscribe to your boy. We so close to 26K. You guys already know the goal is 30,000 subs. You got to get there very soon. All I need you guys to do is spam the comment section, spam the like button, and the channel's gonna keep growing and growing, man. If you don't mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below, of course. And down below, let me know what your worst sneaker pickup of 2020 is so far, man. I appreciate all of the support. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.